Hey guys, Ozgrills here, and today we're going to do a video on how to get free emotes for your channel. Let's do it. Alright guys, first things first, a few things about myself. My name is Ozgrills. I do streaming tutorial videos here on YouTube. These tutorials include Streamlabs OBS, Twitch, and YouTube. We have Grow Your Channel videos for Twitch and YouTube, and have a podcast called Talking Corner where we go over techniques to grow your stream. I also stream myself on Twitch. My main night is on Friday nights Australian, and I do a bit here in between. I'm still trying to get that schedule sorted out, but if you wanted to come follow me on there and ask me more questions about anything, the link will be below. Anyway guys, let's get to the video. Alright, so first thing we're going to want to do here is to join the Gamers Corner Discord. The link to this will be in the description below, so make sure you hit that, and then you'll enter the Gamers Corner Discord. What will come up first is the Discord overview. Read through that, make sure it is something you're comfortable with, and when you get to Gamers Corner roles, you would need to use the Gamers Corner emote react to get full server access. If you wanted to be a tech help person as well to help people who are struggling with their setups, hit that emote for that. And if you are still trying to get affiliate, hit the pushing for affiliate emote reaction, and you will get some assistance there in making sure you hit that milestone. Alright, so once you have reacted to the roles, you will have the full list of channels there on the left. And to get to the free emotes, you just need to scroll down to Ozgrills Designs. In Ozgrills Designs, there is plenty of links to videos which will help you out in your stream, and also the emotes there that you wish to get. As you can see here, there is plenty of generic ones, and if you wanted more, I can put some more in there as well, as long as they're not custom to you, because we need to help benefit everyone here, and these are going to be more of a starter emote for you until you find something that you want personal for yourself. So once you find an emote that you want to put on your channel, you would click on it, and then you would click Open Original. It would bring you to your browser where you right click on that and go Save Image As, and then you can save it as whatever you want. All these files are 112 pixels by 112 pixels, which is good enough for the Twitch emote. Now once you have your emotes, I would ask if you please wouldn't leave Gamers Corner, as it is a great place to grow your stream. Most of the people in here are streamers themselves, and we all try and grow together. If you check out the general chat, there is people in there always talking, as well as other channels in there that could help you in different ways. Enough about that for now. So you now have all the emotes you need to put on your Twitch, and now you need to upload them. If you don't know how to do it, continue with this video. I'm going to show you how. So what you would do is go to your Twitch, and up the top right, you would hit your profile picture and go to create a dashboard. If you're not affiliate yet, you won't have these options, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. So what you would do is go to settings on the left there, and then go down to the affiliate tab. And it'll bring open this page here. You would go down to emotes, hit onto that, and as you can see here, I already have my emotes there, which I use for my channel. I've left the tier 3 one open to show you how to upload it, as you can't do it if the spot's full. And so you would just hit there, and it would come up like this, image upload, and the image would need to be between 112 by 112 pixels and 4096 by 4096 pixels. As we have a 112 pixel image, this is perfect. And what you would do is hit the little plus icon here, and then select which emote you wanted to go in, and it automatically resizes it for you into the appropriate sizes depending on which device is looking at your channel. Down below, you would put in a unique code that relates to that emote, and then you would hit Save Changes. And depending on what your affiliate status is, it would either become immediately active, or it will once Twitch reviews it. And look at that, now you got some free emotes. Alright guys, well I really hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for hanging around. If you did like it, please hit that like button, share it to your friends who don't have any emotes and need them. You know, it's a great opportunity for them and for yourself. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. We've got plenty of content here, and there's plenty more to come. And I look forward to seeing you again. Cheers.